Welcome to Cumming, Georgia, home of MarineMax on beautiful Lake Lanier. Today we're looking at the Crest 220 pontoon boat. This is a tri-toon, particularly suited for this big lake. As you may know, Crest is one of the oldest manufacturers of pontoon boats in the country. They are known for their quality, durability, and overall performance. Today, this Crest 2, you look at it, you see powder coating everywhere, powder coated aluminum panels, powder coating at the base of the boat, powder coating even around the bimini top. They're using piano hinges for doors, gives you a strength maximum of 400 pounds, keeps the door secure with the stop, no flex or wiggle or movement of any kind, keeping you safely inside the boat when that needs to be a concern. As you come back, you look at the high-grade marine vinyl, all made by Crest in-house. Back to the fiberglass platform, again made by Crest in-house. Consists of a trim gauge, Bluetooth radio, depth finder, hour meter, and the most important part of it is the captain's cup, which will keep a cold beverage cold. It has a changing room, under deck storage back here. This rear lounger faces this way, and this seat goes both directions so that you can sit facing aft or fit forward, whatever you prefer to do. Nice storage facility right here. 200 horsepower Mercury, brand new Mercury on the back of it. Notice the Mercury trims all the way out of the water, unlike some of the older motors and some of our competitors. You can enjoy this Crest for years to come. It's a good value, a good resale value, and a fun boat for you and your family. Let us show you how good this boat is. Thank you.